Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek Performance, and today I'm here to show you guys how to install the Hero smoked rear reflectors on the 6th Gen Camaro with the factory exhaust system. Now I got this 2019 in the shop right now, and as you guys can see, it does have the factory rear reflectors. We're going to go ahead and get those swapped out. Simple tools that we need is just a simple pocket screwdriver that we have right here. The factory bolt is accessible through the bottom side. It is a little tight, but we are going to be able to get this pocket screwdriver right in place to get the screw out that we need to. Installation is going to be very easy, guys. We should go ahead and knock it out, no problem. Alright guys, now here we are on the bottom side of the car. Now what you're going to want to be looking for is this opening that we have right here, just under the factory support brace. It's going to be right in between the factory tailpipes. It's going to go right in between there. There is going to be a screw in there that you're going to want to be looking for, and that will allow us to remove the factory reflector. Now I'll go ahead and show you how it's done. Now that we have the factory reflector moved out of the way, we can go ahead and take a simple small magnet. This screwdriver does have a magnet on the other end of it. Go ahead and put it through here and retain the factory bolt. Now that we have the factory hardware out of the way, we can go ahead and take the hardware provided in the kit, stick it back on the other end of the magnet, and go and put it right back in the factory location. Now what I did was I went ahead and had my finger holding the other end of the screw in the factory location. This will allow me to take my screwdriver and put it in place on the head side of the screw and go ahead and keep it from falling back out. Now I'll take the Hero reflector, slide it back into place, and screw it down. Now what I'm suggesting for you guys to do is take the screw that's provided with the kit, and we're going to go ahead and pre-install it into our reflector. Now what this is going to do, this is going ahead and put the threads already in place, making it a lot easier to screw it down once it's already installed on the car. Now once we got that, go ahead and button down. We'll go ahead and get the install finished and wrap it up. All right guys, now that we went ahead and got the other reflector installed, time for us to go ahead and sit back and enjoy the new look of the blacked out reflectors.